What a beautiful day out here. I know it's social distancing. I know you're not supposed to be around people, but there is a sign of life. This is Josh with Stanek Insurance, Stanek Financial, and right here in Bucyrus, Ohio. And real simple, I made this video to maybe help a few people out. Let me go in my office right here. But, you know, what I do is I specialize in the life insurance, financial service arena, the annuity arena, and, you know, maybe you're looking for a second opinion on what you have going on right now in your life. And that's something that I could possibly help you with. I've been doing this for a long time. Started out actually in the big city right out of college after I got my economics degree from a fancy university, I guess. Economics degree, started in the big city with Northwestern Mutual, cut my teeth down there. And then I went through the banking sector, Chase Keys. I've been doing this a long time, from life insurance, retirement planning, tax planning. Again, you can find more information. Go to stanekfinancial.org, stanekfinancial.org, or you can email me, info@stanekfinancial.org. And let's just have an honest conversation about, what do you want to do on the risk management side of things? Do you want to protect your family? Is term insurance the way to go? Is whole life insurance the way to roll? Is universal life insurance the way to roll? And obviously, mutual funds, ETFs, stocks. Again, my primary focus is on the risk management side of things, but I've seen so many different scenarios, so many different cases where people got a little too aggressive and they got hurt. And I tell you a little story right here. I remember in 2000, if you remember the tech bubble. Remember, I had an engineer client, older gentleman, had some disposable income, had quite a bit of money actually, and he wanted to get aggressive. I remember we set up the Munder the Net Fund. For those of you that have a little history, now this fund lost about 85% of value in a short amount of time. That was the tech bubble 2000. And obviously we've had some things come on in 2008, the banking debacle. Then obviously right now with the Corona debacle. But these times are these are tough times. Unemployment is going to be extremely high. The numbers just came out today. I think 3.3 million. There's going to be unemployment. It's going to be unreal. And I know there's a lot of fear. I know there's a lot of concern. What should I do with my money? What's the best route? What's my downside protection? What's my risk management protection? And, I was in my office earlier today, and actually, with all this downtime, with not seeing people face to face, you get a chance to do a lot of research. And I was really seeing, are there some parallels to the 1929? And I don't know if there is or not. I'm not trying to be a fear monger here, but, we have tremendous debt, high unemployment, and, it looks eerily similar to that. So you need to be protected. And that's something I can help you out with. Again, stanekfinancial.org, or you can email me, info@stanekfinancial.org. I'm active on Facebook. You can find me there. Just type in Stanek. I don't know if it's Stanek Financial or Stanek Insurance, but you can find me there. But, we can conference in, whether it be Zoom, Skype, Google Hangouts, or you can call me on the phone. And then when times get better, you can stop in to see me at this beautiful location right here in Bucyrus, Ohio. For those of you that are familiar with Bucyrus, right across from the Shines Art Park. Shines Art Park, or Castle Auctions and Appraisals, Catacorner Wendy's. So when times get better, you can see me face to face. But if you want a second opinion, want to kind of get an opinion from a guy that's seen some things, reach out to me and we'll connect.